Kosmos Q, wing dusted garlic parm with hot dirty bird crispy smoked chicken wings. Your next game day or tailgate go-to. Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Craig, and today is the start of the NFL Sunday football. And we are going to copy Kosmos Q's crispy smoked chicken wings. So, first off, you use their hot dirty bird as a coating before you throw them on the smoker. I already have my Yoder YS640 set up to 250 degrees. I'm using Jealous Devil Jack's pellets. They're just a phenomenal pellet in the Yoder smoker, and they have great flavor. It's a maple, cherry, and hickory blend, I believe. I threw the box out. But it just gives you really good color on ribs and wings and some really good smoke flavor. So all Kosmos did, right here I got about a dozen and a half jumbo wings. I already went through, separated everything, and I've had these in the refrigerator overnight. They just threw some oil on. I wish I had some duck fat, but I just ran out, because duck fat I think would be really good on these. And you just toss them in a little oil, just enough to hold the rub. And I like Dirty Bird. I know we're gonna use their wing dust afterwards, their garlic butter, their garlic parm wing dust. So the flavor on the Dirty Bird, the hot Dirty Bird, is really good for wings, and you can use a little, you can use a lot, do whatever you want. It's your wing. I just want to see if we can actually, I know they're going to be crispy because I watched them do the video, but I just want to see if it's good. All right, I got these really nice and coated well. You can see in there. Not too heavy, not too light, but it's a good coat. Some of these are pretty big wings. So we'll just throw these on the Yoder real quick. All right, so here we are. We're just gonna throw these on the Yoder real quick. Put them in the middle. Like I said, I only did a half a dozen. I don't want to do too many in case they're not good. But it's a chicken wing, so when have they not been good? Also, they made a blue cheese. I did too. I'm not doing that on camera. You can watch their video and make the blue cheese if you want to. And you can make their blue cheese recipe by your own. If you already have your own blue cheese recipe, do that. We will be back here in about a half an hour to check on these and see how they're doing. All right, so it's been about 30 minutes and it's time to check on these wings now. So let's take a look. Oh, we got some really good color. I'm just gonna. Alright, I probably guess I should have checked the temperature on these before I switched them all around for maybe no reason. Yeah, they're probing around 130. So, say 15 more minutes, we'll come back and give them a look, see how they're going. All right, so I just checked all the wings. They're all around 145, 155, and I'm gonna pull them off and get ready to deep fry them. Alright, so the wings are pulled. They got really good color. They all look really nice. Feel good. So we are going to go ahead and get the deep fryer set up and get that going. And pop these in the deep fryer to finish cooking and crisp them up. Alright, so life happens and shit happened today, and I didn't get these wings done by 1. I did get them smoked. You see me take them off. I was not able to get them in the fryer right away. So now it's Sunday Night Football, and I just opened up the Kosmos Cube wing dust, garlic parm, and it smells amazing. The wings look super good, crispy, hot, steamy. Smoky. These have the hot dirty bird on them. And we're just gonna toss them in this wing dust and hope it sticks. And this smells really strong. It's got good coverage so far. I don't know if you can see in the bowl. And these are hot. They look hot, they feel hot. But I'm ready to try one. I'm ready to watch some football and not deal with everything else. Super crispy and moist. There's like a buttery richness coming off the It's good. Really good dry rub. Definitely recommend this. These are, again, was hot dirty bird, smoked for about 55 minutes. I did have to put them in the refrigerator for a few hours and then come back, and I deep fried them at 375 for about 7.5 minutes. After they got done smoking, they were about 155 internal temperature, and they came out super crispy, moist, and really good flavor. If you like wings and you like grilling and smoking, check out the Kosmos Q wing dust and their hot dirty bird. If you like the content I've been putting out, please like and subscribe. And good luck with your fantasy leagues.